So you know the company name. What can you find more about it using Kali Linux? So first we'll open a terminal, and what we can do is try to find different directories. For example, if you have any website, it might have different things on the website, different directories. For example, it might have /blog or website.com/shop or website.com/secret project or anything like that. So you can use a tool called GoBuster to automatically find any hidden directories or all of the directories on a system using a word list. So the way it works is it's using a word list and trying every possible directory, and that way try to scan it. So it's using a word list. Now Kali Linux has a lot of word lists by default. For example, if you go to the computer, we click here, let me just click on file system, go to user, share, and scroll down to a directory called word lists. So the directory is here, user share word lists. You'll see a directory called DIRB and DIRBuster. So those contain text files with word lists, and so they can be really huge or just small. Let me just show you a small one. So user share word lists small txt. So this will output the contents of this small txt file. It's /dirb/small txt. So you'll see it will try all these directories by default to see if they exist on the target website. So we can use a program called GoBuster. And the program GoBuster will allow you to scan the directories on your target competitor. So we can type clear GoBuster dir menu your web page, so whichever competitor you are interested in, and then use the word list, user share word list dirb with any of the word lists. Of course, you can also get word lists online. These are just some default ones included for English. So English word list, there's also a Spanish one and some others here, but they are just word lists with commonly used words. So for example, we'll try common.txt or let's try small txt, that will probably be faster. And press enter, and you'll see it starts scanning for directories on the website, and you'll see it discovers many directories on the client's computer. So you'll see it pressed quite a bit of enters, but you'll see they have a welcome page, they have a QA team page, partners page, and if I scroll up, you'll see that all the hidden directories here. So for example, for this one, there's a download page, desktop developers, there's some other security certifications, and so using GoBuster, you can find hidden directories on a website that the competitor may be working on. So this command will find subdirectories. So GoBuster dir will find directories on the website, hidden directories. And you can also use GoBuster to find subdomains. So ... .website.com. So for example, there might be tour.website.com or accounts or mail.website.com and so on. So you can find those with GoBuster as well. And instead of here, specify DNS. So let me just clear the screen here. We'll type GoBuster DNS instead of dir, then -d the website, and again the word list, so -w or -- word list, and we'll specify the same word list. So this command will scan the website. You specify -d for any subdomains, and you'll see it automatically finds subdomains for that website. So this way you can gather more information about maybe what they are running, what software they're running, and maybe what kind of things they offer. For example, this company has a forum, and you see there's an upload site here, documentation site. They're using some kind of apps. They have a blog and so on. So you can use GoBuster to find about what they're working on and different subdomains, different directories, and get a better picture of the business.